Hey everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrap Me Quick Designs, and I've got exciting news today. You are invited to Cricut Craftfest. Cricut Craftfest is an awesome event that's coming up February the 21st through the 25th of 2022, and I am one of the 30 amazing speakers that's going to be showing you how to make some awesome projects with your Cricut. Now, this event is for Cricut Explore users, Cricut Maker users, and Cricut Joy users. Any skill level will be able to participate and look at these workshops that we put together for you. And as you can see, there's a big variety. So it's a great way to inspire you to maybe try something new you haven't tried before, pick up some tips and tricks on how to work with certain materials with your Cricut machines, really open up, inspire your minds to create something different maybe you haven't attempted before. I'm going to be teaching a print and cut class. Now, this is going to be online February the 21st through the 25th. Now, you are going to get tutorial videos that are step-by-step. You're going to get supply lists in case you want to create the same projects. And you are going to also be invited to a attendee Facebook group where actually, guys, they're giving away prizes, so you would want to be sure and join that as well. Now, the event is absolutely free. It is February the 21st through the 25th. If for some reason you're not able to view the videos during that time, there is an all-access pass you can purchase if you want, but it's not necessary. You can watch these for free the week of February the 21st through the 25th. Now, I really hope that you will attend. We're registering people right now. Claim your free ticket. There's some instructions where you see the description of this video, and make sure that you grab your ticket today. I cannot wait to see you in class.